So now let's derive a formula for f of g of x. So here we have f of x, we have g of x. I'm going to rewrite this as I have been. And so now, instead of actually plugging something in for g, we're just going to take what g of x is, which is x minus 7, and put it in there. So what we have instead of f of g of x is really just f of x minus 7, which is 2 times x minus 7 squared plus 3 times x minus 7. X minus 7 squared is the same as x minus 7 times x minus 7, which is x squared minus 7x minus another 7x, so minus 14x plus 49. So this is really 2 times x squared minus 14x plus 49 plus 3 for x. 3 times x is 3x minus 21. So this is 2x squared minus 28x plus 98 plus 3x minus 21. Almost there. 2x squared, negative 28x plus 3x, negative 25x, 98 minus 21, positive 77. So if we wanted to know, for example, what f of g of negative 3 was, you would just put negative 3 in for x. If you wanted to know f of g of 85 and a half, because you really want to know, you'd put in 85 and a half for x. That's how the formula would work. So now g of f of x. So instead of f of, oops, missed a parenthesis, not the end of the world, but, and so instead of f of x, we'll put 2x squared plus 3x in there. So g of 2x squared plus 3x, which is just, instead of that x, we have 2x squared plus 3x. So this really just equals 2x squared plus 3x minus our 7. Sometimes, you know, one way or the other is much simpler, like that second one. G of f was easier than f of g. Here's some more. Now f of x is x squared and g of x is 1 over 3x plus 1. So we'll derive a formula for f of g of x. Okay, so now f of g of x, so instead of g of x, we'll just put in 1 over 3x plus 1. So this is like f of 1 over 3x plus 1, which is just 1 over 3x plus 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. 3x plus 1 squared is 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 1. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. 1 times 3x is another 3x. So that's plus a total of 6x plus 1. Now we'll do g of f of x, which is just g of x squared. So g of x squared equals 1 over 3, instead of x, now there's an x squared there, plus 1. And that's our answer. Okay, we're going to skip finding the domain of a composite function. We'll talk about domain at a later point in the course, so don't worry about that. Any problems? Let's see, are they talking about the domain? Any of the problems? No, so you should be all set for the homework. So don't worry about this last piece. It won't be on the test either.